Hi, this is Sanjay Kapoor. Subscribe to Siddharth Kannan's YouTube channel now.
Ladies and gentlemen, last hour क्या इनका हर hour पहला ही होता है because he's like a newcomer all the time. इनके लिए कभी last नहीं होगा, हमेशा first ही होगा. Sanjay Kapoor, brother, how are you, my friend?
Very well. What an introduction, Siddharth. Loving it.
अरे we love you too, sir. You know what? मैं हमेशा याद रखता हूँ वो राजा माधुरी दीक्षित, संजय कपूर way back in the 90s. कहीं आपको लगा कि आपका जो पोटेंशियल था बड़े पर्दे पर उतना टैप नहीं हो पाया जैसे होना चाहिए था?
I've seen my glass always is half full. I've been around 26 years. It's a long journey. 26 years back, my first film Prem released in May. Then in second, Jude Raja released, Kartavya released. And today I am doing an interview with Mr. Siddharth. तो मैंने अपने करियर में कुछ तो सही किया होगा कि जो मैं 26 साल के बाद भी आपके सामने बैठा हूँ. So I see my glass is full. Yes, I've had my journey is full of hurdles. Has been ups and downs. It started off with a bang, and then there was a phase where I was not happy with the kind of films that I was being offered. I got into production, and then a kind of a boom happened of OTT, and which just changed my life. And today with the OTT, I'm getting some great offers, some great roles, and I always felt there was so much more to offer, and which I'm getting this opportunity in OTT platforms. So better late than never.
अरे सर 100% सर, जैसे मैं कह रहा हूं आपके सामने बैठने के लिए मुझे 5 बार कंघी करनी पड़ती है सर. यही ये डर है कि आई शुड लुक लेस देन संजय कपूर. दैट्स व्हाट योर स्टारडम इज. आई मीन दैट. पर घर में आप इकलौते ओटीटी स्टार नहीं है, आपकी वाइफ भी एक ओटीटी स्टार.
Yes. I've got competition at home.
तो आपकी वाइफ भी फैबुलस लाइव्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड वाइफ्स के साथ एक स्टार बन चुकी है. कितना मोटिवेट आपने उन्हें किया कि यार तुम कर लो एक ओटीटी सीरीज, ये प्रोजेक्ट कर लो?
Definitely, I was one of the person when Karan asked her to do this, she came at home and was shocked. I said, don't take him seriously. He must have just cracked a joke or something. But when it became very serious, I said, what's the harm? Do it. I said, if he's convinced, he knows, he understands, if he's asking you, he's not going to, there will be a certain standard if Dharmatics is doing it and everything. It was in a correct platform also. So I said, go with the gut and just do it. And so I really encouraged her from doing it. I never told her not to do it.
पर आपने एक बहुत पते की बात कही उसमें. आपने कहा कि what, मैं करण जौहर को इतने सालों से जानता हूं, पर मुझे मौका मिला करण जौहर के साथ काम करने का only after 30 years, which
Yes.
really shows that कि यार whether you know someone, nepotism, XYZ, वो सब चले जाता है out of the window. It's work, right?
Of course. Obviously, finally, the thing is, the difference is you shouldn't expect this. Finally, your work will get you work. Your good work will get you work. Finally, like I said on the show also over there, I got a chance to work with him because when I was doing well, finally, Dibakar Banerjee, whom I didn't know, for Adams, he casted me in Love Stories. Today, Amit Kumar, who didn't know me at all, he casted me in such a big show like Last Star. They could have got any superstar also, but they backed me up and everything. So this, I've got it with my talent, with my sheer ability and hard work. So it always happens like that. Nobody's going to invest crores and crores and crores of rupees of you. Like now I know you, but if I'm making a film, if you suit the role, I will cast you. Only because I know you, I'll not cast you.
अरे सर, you cast me because you love me too much यार.
दिल हो रहा है वैसे आपको कास्ट करने.
सर मैं बस आपके पीछे पेड़ भी बन जाऊंगा, मैं खुश हूँ यार. आई एम हैप्पी बीइंग अ ट्री नेक्स्ट टू यू. आपकी बेटी
स्पिरिट बना देंगे जिसकी खाली आपकी आवाज आ रही.
सर कौन सी स्पिरिट सर? ये वाली सर?
वो वाली स्पिरिट तो फिर वो उसके लिए फिर अलग बात करेंगे.
आपकी बेटी शनाया भी अब कुछ समय के अंदर फिल्मों में आएंगी. शी इज डूइंग अ करंट फिल्म एज वेल. क्या आपने फादर होते हुए उनके कुछ ज्ञान दिया, जिंदगी की टिप्पणी दी, एडवाइस दिया, या क्या था?
मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे कि इट हैपेंड इन माय लाइफ आल्सो. वी वर बोर्न इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, so we are very observant, and Shania has born in this house. She's seen my career so closely. She has seen her nieces, nephews, chacha's career so closely. और अभी भी अगर मुझे उसको एडवाइस करने की जरूरत पड़े तो then something is wrong with her. I think so. She doesn't need an advice. Today's kids are very, very intelligent and everything. She knows exactly what she wants, and so far she's made some very, very correct decisions.
क्या बात है, ऑलरेडी डिजिटल स्टार बन चुकी है सर जी.
Thanks to all of you. Thank you so much.
अनिल और आप, you know, are you like best friends? या फिर आपकी थोड़ी बोलती बंद हो जाती है अपने भाई के सामने? कैसा सीन है? और क्या आप दोनों के बीच में जवानी का कंपटीशन होता है कि नहीं?
कोई कंपटीशन नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता. But yes, we are brothers. There is a lot of respect I have for Anil. Just not as an elder brother, the kind of achievement he's done. I have being in this line, I know how tough it is to become a star. Is very tough to maintain it for more than 3 years. It's even more tougher. But when we meet and everything, that respect is there in my mind. It is there when I talk about him. But when I talk to him, we talk as friends. We talk as brothers. There is not ke Anil ji or baat nahi hai, aisa kuch nahi hai. And I'll tell you another thing about Anil. His thing. When I signed this show last hour, when he heard who all are involved and everything, he said, this is going to be your game changer, the last hour. And so he said, just grab it with both your hands and just do your best. And here we are.
अच्छा, आपका फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस ओवर द इयर्स कौन रही है? You have a lot of lovely actresses, but एक एक्ट्रेस जो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब रही है, and you said, you know what, it was so delightful. वो कौन थी?
There have been some great actors that I've seen over the period of time, but because I had this opportunity to work with her personally in 2 films, and now I'm doing a show with her, with Madhuri, so I would take her name because she's extremely talented, and the kind of person she is, so grounded. And I worked with her when there was 1 to 10 only Madhuri Dixit. When I was doing Raja and Mohabbat, there was Madhuri के कोई पहले नहीं था, कोई बात नहीं था. She was such a big star.
कोई ऐसा रिग्रेट है जैसे आपने कोई फिल्म को रिफ्यूज किया और बाद में बोला ओ बाबा ये तो बड़ी हिट हो गई, या फिर कोई फिल्म किया जो आपको लगा यार शायद नहीं करना चाहिए था, वो क्या था?
I rather than a regret, I would say I would want to. What I feel, we've been in the industry for so long. I've been for 26 years. Anil has been for more than 32, 34 years. We've not done a film together. I think so. We need to work together. Something in a OTT or a film thing. I would really look forward to that. It will happen very soon, and that's what I want it to happen.
Have Boni and Anil आपकी जिंदगी में, have they been like father figures?
Boni also is a father figure because he took over the production. When my first film started, though my father was very much active and alive and he was there, but Boni was doing all the creative calls and everything. So I started my career, because of him. So he will always remain a father figure.
Sir, in this day and age of social media, अगर एक आदमी हार्मलेस कमेंट भी लिखता है, उसको माने लोग इतना बड़ा बना देते हैं कि हालत टाइट हो जाती है. You face that too. आपने एक हार्मलेस कमेंट लिखा था अनन्या पांडे के ड्रेस पर and it became larger than life. How do you handle all this? आप उसको एक कान से सुनते निकाल देते हैं या फिर?
You can't take things too seriously because there are people unfortunately who are holding fake accounts, fake this, who are only trying to get attention by talking against people. So if you start thinking too much about it, then you've chosen the wrong line. You have to take it in your stride.
क्या आप दोनों ने, अनिल और आपने, मिरर में देख के बोला क्या जॉय लाइन है? I like it.
नहीं, in fact, उल्टा हुआ है. I didn't have to look at the jawline. Anil looks at my jawline and say, क्या कमाल की jawline है तेरी यार.
Okay, what comes to your mind when I take these names? दिल से बोलिएगा. सोनम कपूर,
beautiful.
जानवी कपूर,
talented.
अर्जुन कपूर,
very loving.
हर्षवर्धन कपूर.
I want to meet him here to say something. It's been a long time. Harsh का खाली ये है कि he's like Mr. India. Harsh के लिए मैं Mr. India is the right word.
सुनीता कपूर.
She is like the pillar strength of the family, especially in the hour of need.
Maheep Kapoor.
Stunning woman.
Wow. Shania Kapoor.
Heartbeat.
Well, all I want to say is thank you so much, Sanjay Kapoor. 2021 में आप बैटिंग कर रहे हैं. मुझे यकीन है 2050 में भी हम लोग इंटरव्यू कर रहे होंगे. तब कुछ और नया प्लेटफॉर्म होगा. And one thing's for sure, संजय कपूर, आप तब भी चौके छक्के मार रहे होंगे.
Definitely, for sure. बैट छोड़ता ही नहीं मैं आपसे.